Hey everyone, are you tired of posting manually on Instagram? Here's how to use Instagram Creator Studio to schedule content in 2025. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to businessfacebook.com Creator Studio. Then make sure that your Instagram is connected to a professional account, either creator or business. Then here, click the Instagram icon, then select Create Post. Choose feed or IG video, then upload your content, write a caption, and click the calendar icon to schedule your post. Then, after that, set your date and time and hit schedule. You can view all upcoming posts in your content library and edit anytime. And that's how you automate your Instagram uploads with Creator Studio in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content creator tools tips. Thanks for watching.